Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa curd rice. First, rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water to remove any bitterness. Then, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until the water is absorbed. Let it cool completely before moving to the next step. Next, let's prepare the creamy curd base. In a large bowl, whisk 2 cups of plain yogurt until it's smooth and lump-free. Gradually add about 1/4 cup of milk, or more if needed, to reach a pourable yet thick consistency. Finally, season the mixture with salt to your preference, ensuring it's well combined for a balanced flavor. Now for the flavorful tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves, letting them splutter. Then, add 1 chopped green chili and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, sautéing for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour this tempering over the cooled quinoa and the prepared curd mixture, gently folding everything together. To finish, garnish your quinoa curd rice with fresh chopped cilantro and a sprinkle of vibrant pomegranate seeds for a burst of color and flavor. For the best taste, chill the dish in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals you might enjoy. Enjoy your refreshing and healthy meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.